Let's look at the food that we should include in our diet. So first of all, proteins. So protein requirement for our body is according to our weight. Suppose my weight is 60 kg, then I require 60 gram of protein every day. So what are the sources of protein? So sources of protein are pulses. So we should advise, it is advised to have dal, any type of dal, tur dal, masoor dal, moong dal, daily in our diet. So we should take dal two katoris daily. Tur dal has approximately 11 gram of protein, whereas moong dal has 23 to 24 gram of protein. So we should alternately have these dals. Sambar, we know that sambar is made up of dal and vegetables. So we should have while eating idli and dosa, we should take more and more of this sambar. Third thing is we can make dal khichdi. So we should add more of dals. All varieties of dal we can add in dal khichdi. Then fourth thing about protein is you can have eggs. So one egg contains approximately 7 to 8 gram of protein. So we should, as it is advised that we should exercise at least 4 times in a week. So after exercising also we need proteins, and those growing children, they need proteins for their muscle development. So all this group of people need more protein, so they should eat eggs and dal. Third thing is all kinds of beans, dry beans like moong, matki, we call it sauri, then kidney beans, black beans, all the sprouts, then all these we should soak in water, and then sprouted we should allow it to sprout, and then we can either eat raw with adding some lemon or tomato, onion, all that we can make bhel type, or we can eat after boiling it also. So daily we should have alternately these kind of sprouts in our diet. Then second comes the milk. So milk and milk products, they also contain protein. So we should have 1 glass of milk or curd, one katori of curd without adding sugar. So we should give it to kids also, children, and also adults should also take it. We should twice weekly we should have paneer, tofu, mushroom, soya chunks, all these in our diet, and 1 slice of cheese also. Second comes the fats. So we should not have saturated fats in our diet. Instead we should have unsaturated fat in our diet. So we can have daily 1 spoon of ghee applied to paratha or in our vegetables also. And we should if we are cooking in or we are frying in the oil, then we should not reuse that heated oil again, it becomes toxic. So we should while frying we should use less oil, and then we should discard that fried oil also. We can use soybean oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, they are good for our health. Then comes the vitamins. So we know vitamins, all kinds of vegetables, they have vitamins. So twice weekly we should have all kind of beans like ghewda, shravan ghewda, papdi, wal, cluster beans, then slender beans, gawar falli, chaudi falli. So all these kind of falli, they are extremely nutritious. We should have at least twice weekly this kind of falli. And then comes the iron part, that is the green leafy vegetables. We should have twice weekly all kinds of green leafy vegetables, palak, methi, chuka, shepu, whatever vegetables green leafy are available in your area according to that. And we should develop habit of eating these vegetables in children also. Children nowadays all are tempted to drink Coca-Cola and all that refined drinks, but we should avoid that. While eating fruits, we should have 2 servings of fruits every day, and we should eat if possible we should eat along with the cover of that fruit, so that fiber is also, we get fiber also. Fiber is good for digestion, for gut health. So we should give fruits instead of fruit juice. But if your child is asking for packaged drink, at that time you can make fresh fruit juice at your home. In this season you can make mango or watermelon juice and give it to your child. Then comes the curd. Curd is also very good as a probiotic. It has protein as well as it is a probiotic, so it is good for gut health and it helps in digestion. So you can give to your child as well as adults. Then comes the water intake. Water intake should be 15 to 16 glasses maximum, whatever you can drink. If you are having night duty, then at night also you should take care of your water intake while traveling. Suppose you are traveling by car, at that time also you should drink frequently water. During traveling also, some people avoid water, drinking of water, and then they become dehydrated. The your urine should be transparent. It should not be yellow colored urine, especially in summer season. You have to take care and you have to remind your children also. So avoid junk food, sugary food. You should limit your visit to bakery once in 15 days. Once in 15 days you can give some suppose whatever junk food, samosa, pastry, cakes, but remaining 14 days you have to eat healthy fresh food from house, vegetables, then salad, raw salads you should eat. You can pour some lemon juice over that, cucumber, beetroot, and radish, carrot, all that. Or you can just make koshambir out of that, means you can add dahi and eat just like that. Then whatever suppose you want breakfast, so healthy options are naturally sprouts and idli because it is steamed, and dhokla, it is also steamed. But avoid vada pav, bhajia, puri, masala dosa. So these are some more oily things, so you should avoid frequent intake of this oily breakfast. Instead get this steamed breakfast more and more. While making poha also, lemon is sprinkled. So after cooking, lemon should be sprinkled from above, not during cooking, because vitamin C due to heat it can get destroyed. So these are some of the changes, little changes which you should know and you should make in your diet, so that your family and you remain healthy. Major thing during dieting is many of them don't pay attention to their hemoglobin. What is their hemoglobin percentage? Just pay attention to that. Females I have seen, because of menstrual blood loss, they become anemic. So check your hemoglobin regularly, and for that you should have nuts, you should have black raisins and dates, and beetroot juice. You can make kanji. You can make kanji means just you have to cut beetroot and tomato and add some spices or salt, black pepper, and just keep it for 5 days in a glass container in sun, and then it is very tasty mixture known as beetroot kanji. So this you can give to children also and adults also regularly to increase your hemoglobin. And many people come with hair fall issues, and that is due to less hemoglobin. So growing kids and teenage girls, all you should keep in mind to have healthy diet. Healthy diet can also be tasty diet. You should eat you can make idlis or dosa out of dals also and make it tasty. And then once you know that this is good for health and this is not good for health, you will develop liking for that healthy food also.